Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to promote Digistore24 products on Facebook. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you can follow these simple steps. Set up a Facebook business page. If you don't already have a Facebook business page, create one. This will serve as the platform to promote your Digistore24 products. Next, understand your target audience. Identify the target audience for your Digistore24 products. Determine their demographics, interests, and preferences to tailor your promotional efforts effectively. Now create compelling content. Develop engaging content that highlights the benefits and features of the Digistore24 products you want to promote. This can include images, videos, testimonials, and persuasive copy that resonates with your target audience. Utilize Facebook Ads Manager. Use Facebook Ads Manager to create targeted ad campaigns. These platforms allows you to define specific targeting criteria based on location, demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach the most relevant audience for your Digistore24 products. Choose ad objectives. Select the appropriate ad objective based on your marketing goals. It could be to drive traffic to your Digistore24 product pages, generate leads, increase conversions, or boost brand awareness. Set budget and ad placement. Determine your budget for the Facebook ad campaign and choose where you want your ads to be displayed on Facebook. So, for example, the news feed, sidebar, Instagram, etc. So, Facebook Ads Manager provides options for budgeting and ad placement customization. Craft compelling copy. Write attention grabbing ad copy that communicates the value proposition of your Digistore24 products. Clearly explain how they can benefit the audience and include a strong call to action or CTA that encourages them to click or learn more. Use eye-catching visuals. Create visually appealing images or videos to accompany your ad copy. High-quality visuals resonate with your target audience, can significantly enhance the performance of your Facebook ads. Monitor and optimize. Regularly monitor the performance of your Facebook ads using Facebook Ads Manager. Analyze metrics such as click through rates, conversion rates, and engagement levels. Based on the results, make necessary adjustments and optimizations to improve your ad campaign's effectiveness. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and inquiries from users who engage with your Digistore24 product ads. Engaging with your audience helps build trust, answer questions, and ultimately drive more conversions. Leverage Facebook groups. Join relevant Facebook groups that align with your Digistore24 products, niche or target or audience. Engage in discussions, offer valuable insights, and provide helpful recommendations. However, be mindful of group rules and avoid spamming or being overly promotional. When appropriate, share your Digistore24 product links as recommendations within the group or within the group. Okay? Next one, we have the run contests and giveaways. So, create engaging contests or giveaways on your Facebook page to generate buzz and interest in your Digistore24 products. Encourage participants to share the contest with their friends to expand your reach. Make sure the prizes are enticing and relevant to your target audience to attract genuine interests. Next, collaborate with influencers. Identify influencers in your niche who have a significant following on Facebook. Reach out to them and propose collaborations, such as sponsored posts or product reviews. Influencers can help promote your Digistore24 products to their engaged audience, increasing your brand visibility and potential sales. Utilize Facebook Live. So, leverage Facebook Live to host product demonstrations, Q&A sessions, or behind-the-scenes glimpses related to your Digistore 24 products. This interactive format allows you to directly engage with your audience, answer questions, and showcase the value and benefits of your products in real time. Retargeting ads. Implement Facebook's retargeting feature to reach people who have previously shown interest in your Digistore24 products or visited your website. Set up custom audiences based on website visitors, email subscribers, or people who engage with your Facebook content. This allows you to tailor ads specifically to those who have already demonstrated some level of interest. Create engaging video content. Video content tends to capture attention and drive higher engagement on Facebook. Create captivating videos that highlights the features, benefits, and testimonials related to your Digistore24 products. Consider using storytelling techniques or demonstrations to effectively showcase the value your products offers. And now, encourage user generated content. Encourage your customer to share the experiences with your Digistore24 products by creating user generated content campaigns. Ask them to post reviews, testimonials, or product photos on their own Facebook profiles and tag your business page. This social proof can help build trust and credibility among your target audience. Last one, collaborate with complementary businesses. Identify businesses that offer complementary products or services to your Digistore24 offerings. Explore partnerships or collaborations where you can cross promote each other's products on Facebook. This allows you to tap into each other's audiences and expand your reach. Remember, it is essential to continuously analyze the performance of your Facebook marketing efforts, make data driven decisions, and adjust your strategies as needed. Regularly monitor key metrics such as click through rates, conversion rates, and return on investments or the ROI to ensure you're maximizing the impact of your Digistore24 product promotions on Facebook. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.